Hello everyone, welcome to EduTop. So in today's session, we are going to discuss a very important topic that is about the shapes of economic recovery, which is in news too much in these days. Okay, so we will see that what is the shape of the India's economic recovery, as well as there are some economists that are influencing the particular shape of the India's economic recovery, while the other economists are saying something else. So we will see that why these differing statements are given by the economists, why the differing statements are coming from the politicians also. So we will also see all the shapes or most important shapes of the economic recovery that can be followed after a dip. Okay, after a slowdown, how our economy recovers, that we are going to see in today's session. But before starting with the today's session, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to the channel, and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session. And you can get the link of the Telegram channel in the description box below. So see, these are the shapes of recovery. Whenever our economy is growing, okay, it is showing a growth, but then there is some situation like COVID-19 happened, so there is a slowdown situation that any country sees, and after that how it recovers, how it goes back to the growth path, that we have to see. It can follow the shape of recovery V, it can follow a U shaped, it can follow a swoosh, the Z shaped, the W shaped, or L shaped, or we will see there is a new shape that also came, that is said to be what India is following. Okay, so after, like in any country that is following a growth path, after it slows down, after it goes down, after some recession is there, then how does it recover? That is what we can say is the shape of recovery of any country. So first of all, it was believed by some economists, it was believed by some politicians especially, that India is following the V-shaped recovery. Okay, by last year we were saying that yes, after the lockdown opens, we will just bounce back to the previous level. Okay, so V-shaped, first of all, what is V-shaped recovery? So it is the best case scenario, recession scenario, that if we are following a growth path and if we go down to a recessionary condition, in very rapidly we will grow back and we will again start following the growth trend. Okay, so it was believed that after the lockdown opens, we will go back to the growth trend. Okay, so sharp decline in the economy followed by a rapid recovery back to the previous peak, that is what is believed to be a V-shaped recovery, and it is considered to be the best case scenario. Okay, the rebound can be bolstered by appropriate fiscal and monetary policies. So directly V goes back to the growth path. But then what happened, that like some economists were saying that we are following the K-shaped recovery, some were saying we are following the V-shaped recovery. Then the economic survey came, and in the economic survey it was not directly written that what shape recovery we are actually following, but it was written that some of our sectors are growing very well, they are recovering very well, like the technology sector, like the IT sector, it is growing very well. The large cap industries, they are growing very well, they are recovering very well. But it was written that there are some sectors like the small industries, the MSMEs, they are not growing very well. So it was believed that from there it was drawn that we are actually following the K-shaped recovery. Okay, and it was also said by the prominent economist like Raghuram Rajan also said, who is the previous governor of RBI. He also said that India is following the K-shaped recovery because the technology and the large cap firms, there are the rich people are recovering very well in the economy. Okay, they, like if we were following a GDP path of this and we went down, okay, we went down, there are some industries, there are some groups that are recovering very fast, that are going back to the growth path, but the other groups like the small businesses, the MSMEs, the micro, small, medium enterprises, okay, the poor people, okay, the lower middle class people, they are still showing the slowdown effects, they are still suffering from the slowdown effects and they are still going down. So it was believed, it was not directly said, but it was believed, it was inferenced that if some of the sectors are growing, if some of the sectors are not growing, they are still facing the slowdown. If some of the sectors are recovering and the other sectors are not recovering, then it must be a K-shaped recovery. Okay, because in V-shaped, what happens, that whole economy is going down, the whole economy is coming up, but here all of the sectors are not together going up. Okay, there are some sectors that are going up, but some sectors are lagging behind. So it is believed that India is following the K-shaped recovery by the prominent economists, it is believed. So K-shaped recovery is a new term that economists have created to describe what is happening with the COVID-19 pandemic, and it is not only in India that it is happening. In many of the major economies, it is faced that some of the industries, some of the sectors are growing very fast, they are recovering very fast, but some other sectors are still lagging behind. Okay, so according to one analysis, the COVID recovery path branches into two different directions. Okay, the divergence between two groups is represented by the two diagonal lines in the letter K. Such a recovery takes place when different parts of the economy recovers at vastly different rates. Okay, so some are recovering very fast, some are recovering with a lag. Next is U-shaped recovery. So now we will understand about the different recoveries. Also, we have understood about the V-shape and we have understood about the K-shape. K-shaped is believed to be right now what India is facing, the recovery path that India is facing, and it is being said that the government should take the major steps for two lines to align. Okay, so that the two different lines can align and the growth can be inclusive. Right now, we want a inclusive growth. Okay, inclusive, that is all the sectors should grow together. That is the growth that we actually want. So in a U-shaped recovery, what happens that economy takes a few quarters to bounce back. That is, of course, the economy is going down and it stays for some time in the recessionary condition, in the slowdown condition only. After that, it starts growing. So a more gradual drop in the economy which stagnates. So there is a stagnation for a while before a relatively healthy rise. So here rise will happen, but there is a stagnation. In the V-shape, the economy was going down, the economy was coming back. There was no stagnation in the lowermost part, we can say. But here the stagnation is there, that when economy is going down, it is stagnating, it is remaining in the lower part for a time being. Okay, next is L-shaped recovery. This is the worst case scenario. The best case scenario was the V-shaped. The worst case scenario is the L-shaped, in which the economy, if it is growing in this path and if it sees a slowdown, if it sees a recessionary condition, then it takes, like, there is a very slow revival, we can say. For a very long period, it stays in the stagnation condition, it stays in the recessionary condition. So the economy fails to regain its peak GDP even after several years. This has the longest recession periods. This has the longest recession period among all shapes. The downturn and the slow revival sometimes lasts indefinitely. So L-shaped, there is no ending, we can say. So for several years, the recessionary condition will be there. So that's why it was the worst case scenario. Then comes the W. It is called double dip. Okay, that slowdown happens, but then we see a revival, and all of the country, all of the economy believes that we have started reviving, and they believe that we are following the V shape. But what happens that again the dip comes, okay, and then the full recovery actually happens. So double dip recession, a W-shaped recovery, sees an economy staging a brief comeback. Okay, it seems that the economy is coming back, but to fall a second time. It falls a second time. This scenario breaks consumer confidence and enters a full recovery period after a period. Okay, so this is, we can say, in starting it was believed that it is a V-shaped, but again it falls down and again it comes up, and that is the full recovery that happens after that. So this is the W-shaped recovery, that is also called double dip recession. Next, so these were all the recoveries, and India is believed to follow the K-shaped recovery because some of our sectors are recovering very well, they are recovering very fast, but other sectors are lagging behind, they are not recovering that fast. Especially the MSMEs, especially the lower middle class are facing the very much problem, we can say. They are not able to come up from the slowdown that happened. Okay, so if you have any query, you can mail us here, you can contact us through this number. So thank you very much. I hope you have understood the shapes of economic recovery and what is believed that India is following. Okay, so thank you very much.